23 of my Dream It, Do It series. It's so good to have you back here. How are you getting on with everything? Did you get your weekly plan done yesterday? I hope that you did, and that you're planning out your days each day, ticking off a few actions and moving you closer to your goals this year. Today I'm talking all about using a mentor. First up, let's talk about the difference between a mentor and a coach. Many people can confuse these two and imagine that actually they do the same thing, when in reality they serve two quite different purposes. When you work with a coach, they will help you move towards your goals. Now, generally they will do this by having regular catch-ups with you, by asking you questions about how you feel you can achieve the things that you're trying to do. It's more of like a probing technique for you to understand what you already know and have within, or for you to work out yourself what you believe your next steps should be, kind of looking within your heart. A coach can offer motivation and accountability and help keep you on track towards your goals, and your coach may well be specialised in the thing or the niche that you are trying to achieve a goal in. But here's the difference. A coach's job is not to teach you the how-to of what you're trying to do. Their job is more in a supporting role and to literally coach you to where you want to get. But it's not about telling you this is how you do this. It's not about training. It's not about teaching. A mentor is somebody who actually has achieved or is achieving on an ongoing basis the thing that you are looking to do. A mentor is somebody who can teach you the exact steps that you need to take and help you with technique and training on what it is that you're trying to do. When you choose a mentor, it should be somebody who has already achieved the thing that you have done, so they know the exact steps to take, and they are somebody who can help you get there quicker and faster by telling you this is exactly what I did and therefore what you need to do. Ideally, a mentor will already have helped a few other people at least achieve the same results as they have with the method that they use. So, in short, a mentor is somebody who will teach you the techniques, the how-tos, the steps that you need to take to achieve the thing that you are seeking to do. A coach is somebody who's not going to teach you those details along the way. They're going to support you along the way. They're going to give you some motivation and help you keep your momentum. They're going to offer accountability by being there on a regular weekly or 2-weekly basis. A coach literally is going to coach you along the way. A mentor is going to train you, offer you techniques and strategy for how you get from A to B. So what are the benefits of finding a mentor to work with? The main reason to hire a mentor is to give you a fast track to success. Instead of just doing self-learning and trying to apply the things that you've learned, a mentor is someone who will share their strategies and techniques with you so that you can simply replicate the things that they've done to achieve success. Using a mentor is going to get you to your goal that much quicker because you don't have to reinvent the wheel, and you can use your mentor as a great sounding board. Because they've already achieved the thing that you're looking to do, whenever you get stuck or have questions, you can ask your mentor. They can give you advice, tell you the do's and don'ts, and get you back on track again much quicker than if you were trying to work things out on your own. Working with a mentor can give you an incredible confidence boost in the thing that you're trying to achieve, because you know you've got someone in your corner, somebody on hand who you can go to whenever you get stuck. You're taking the actions and doing the things that you need to do to get you towards your goal, but you're doing it with the confidence and peace of mind that you've got backup behind you. You've got somebody to go to help you when you get stuck, or you just need a little bit of advice on what is the best course of action to take next. And of course, a mentor is going to work with you to give you feedback on the actions that you've been taking. They'll be able to spot from an outsider's viewpoint where you may be going wrong and to guide you back on path. They can give you suggestions for things to just tweak a little bit to get you towards your goal that perhaps you may not have thought of or even noticed on your own. So finding a mentor is a great way to fast track you to achieving your goals and dreams. But what should you look for in a mentor? Here's a few key points that I suggest you look for when choosing a mentor. The first thing you want to do is look for a mentor who specialises in your niche, in the thing that you're trying to achieve. And of course, have they had success in that area? There's no point working with a mentor who hasn't already achieved the thing that you want to achieve. Because how do you know that the things they're teaching you are necessarily the right things for you to do? So are they in your niche? What's their experience, and have they seen success? You can also check what their track record is for helping other people achieve what you're trying to achieve. If they've had success in mentoring other people, chances are they're going to do exactly the same for you. You should also consider their mentoring style and delivery. How do they actually mentor you? Is it through a call, one-on-one? Is it part of a group mentoring structure? Do they make themselves available to you to ask questions, perhaps in a group format or via a messaging service? I would suggest that having a mentor who makes themselves quite open and available to you is the best option, because otherwise you may find yourself in a situation where you get stuck with something and you haven't got a call for another couple of weeks and you're stuck because you don't have a method for being able to message and ask a question. On the subject of availability, it's also important to check how soon are they available to start mentoring you. Some in-demand mentors may have a wait list. They may only open up mentorship positions every now and again. So availability, of course, is another key factor. Don't forget the all-important rapport. When you have communications with a prospective mentor, how do you vibe with them? Are you comfortable chatting with them? Do you get a good feeling from them? Rapport is not to be underestimated. It's really important if you're going to work closely with this person and feel comfortable going to them with your questions and asking them for help. And of course, another thing to think about is cost. Set yourself a budget for how much you're happy to spend for a mentor and look within that bracket. The cost of a mentor can vary wildly depending on your niche and the expertise level of the mentor and how in demand they are. So setting yourself a budget will help you narrow down your initial options when you start looking for a mentor to help you. So now we know what to look for in a mentor. How do we go about finding one to help us with the thing that we're trying to achieve? I would suggest the first place to start your search is, like for most things these days, go and do an internet search. Type in what it is you're looking for. For example, you could pop in social media business mentor or social media business training, social media business expertise. Just try a few different search terms, see what it comes up with. So that's one way to look for a mentor in the first instance. You can also head to Facebook. You will tend to find that people offering business mentorship will have a Facebook page or a group. Also in Facebook groups for the goal or the niche of the thing that you're trying to achieve, go and have a look in the group, see if there's any posts already from people offering training and mentorship, or pose a question in there and just say, I'm looking for a mentor to help me build a social media business on Instagram. Is there anyone who already has expertise in this who offers mentoring? Something simple like that. See what comments come in and off you go. You can have a chat to them, see if they tick the boxes for what you're looking for, and maybe you've just found yourself a mentor. Of course, another place that you can look is on YouTube. Again, search for the goal that you're trying to achieve, the niche that it's in. Look and see if someone's posting videos in that area, and you may well find that some of those people offer mentoring services, or you could contact them and ask them if they would be willing to mentor you. When you're looking for a mentor, it doesn't necessarily have to be someone who bills themselves as a mentor. It could just be somebody who has expertise in the area that you're looking to achieve greatness in, and you can go and ask them for help. See if they would be happy to mentor you. You could offer them, whatever your budget is and say, I'm looking for a mentor. Would you consider doing this for me? You may be surprised at how many people would be interested in that kind of offer. Although, of course, depending on a person's popularity and success, they may not have a whole host of time to commit to mentoring, but you never know if you don't ask the question. If one of your goals is to start your own online business this year and you're looking for a mentor, then I may just have the perfect solution for you. I will be opening up applications to my Sunshine Business Mentorship, and that will be opening a few times throughout this year, and at other times there'll be the opportunity to pop yourself on the waitlist. So through my Business Mentorship program, I offer mentoring in how to start exactly the same kind of business that I am already running and seeing success with. It's in the area of personal health, wellness and fitness coaching. You don't need any prior experience. You don't need to know anything about personal health, wellness and fitness in the first instance, because all of the training is provided. It's easy to learn. The tools and resources for running the business are there for you. Like I say, you don't have to be an expert. We already have a full host of experts who people use for their fitness and training. Really, we're just there to offer support and accountability. So my mentorship shows you exactly how to get up and running, and importantly, how to make a success of it, how to grow, and how to make this a sustainable business that provides you an income for the long term. As part of the mentorship program, you have access to me to ask questions to at any time. If you get stuck, send me the question and I will help you find the answer. Also included are mastermind calls and live trainings, and of course one-to-ones with me where we can work on your strategy. I can help you map out a plan to the successful and flourishing business that you are aspiring to build. So I have a wealth of experience in online business. Not only have I run several of my own online businesses in different niches, I also have run masterminds to help other people get started with their own businesses, and they have seen success in creating their own podcast, consultancy businesses, and of course personal fitness coaching businesses. And I have been in an affiliate partnership with Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi for the past 3 years, and that's ongoing. So like I say, I've got lots of experience and I get all of the best training to be able to pass that on to you as part of this mentorship. So my mentoring approach is to get you up and running as quickly as possible, but also to simplify things for you, because one of my biggest philosophies is to keep things simple. As Tony Robbins says, complexity is the enemy of execution. So we keep things simple, we create a solid foundation, and in simple steps we build our business in building blocks from there. And I'm with you every step of that journey to give you insights and shortcuts to success. As part of the mentorship, I also offer a library of business tools and resources that are yours to use and just access as you need them. The way that the pricing works for my business mentorship is very simple and very affordable for a business startup. You'll be paying a one-off upfront fee to buy your starter bundle, which includes everything that you need not only to get started with the business tools, but also gives you access to the tools that you're going to be offering to your customers. So you get full access to a whole suite of streaming workout programs. You get nutrition products to try and nutrition programs that you can have a go at following if you choose. So the upfront cost of joining the business mentorship is to really get you that bundle and get you set up with all of the tools that you need. And then there's an ongoing monthly mentorship fee, which covers your business service costs, some of the products, and of course your mentorship from me. Now, my business mentorship program is open to a few different countries, the UK, the USA, Canada and France. For that reason, it makes it a little bit difficult for me to start talking prices on here because of the different currencies. So the best thing for you to do is just head to inspiringlifedesign.com/mentorship and fill out the form there, and I can send you the current pricing information at the time you're applying to my mentorship. And like I say, I open up my mentorship program a few times throughout the year. So if when you apply, it's not actually open at that time, you'll get added to the wait list and I'll send you the information when I open up again for my next intake. So who am I looking for to be in my business mentorship? If you are a positive, happy kind of lady who's enthusiastic, keen to start your own online business, looking for mentorship and open to tutoring and learning, then this could be the opportunity for you. I would say you ideally need at least 5 hours a week to get started with this as a side business, but the more time that you put in, the more results that you will see. So that's everything about my business mentorship. If you are interested in applying to that or finding out more information, you can email me at Corinna@inspiringlifedesign.com or fill out the form at inspiringlifedesign.com/mentorship, and I would love to hear from you. Whatever your goal or dream is that you are aspiring to achieve, do consider looking for a mentor to help fast track you there. A mentor will help you with strategy and the how-tos and give you valuable feedback on what is going right and not so well for you. A mentor can really make the difference in success or failure, or between you keeping going and pursuing your dreams and giving up because you get stuck or you lose momentum. So have a think about what you might need to use a mentor for, whether you need a mentor or a coach, or you could look for somebody who offers both at the same time. It is possible for a mentor to be a coach and a coach to be a mentor. They just flip their hats as necessary as they are helping you. And a good mentor and coach will know exactly which hat to wear at any given time. I hope this video has been really helpful for you today. Have you ever made use of a mentor before? If you have, let me know in the comments. I'm really interested to hear. Are you looking for a mentor? Maybe pop in the comments who you're looking for and somebody else will come along, see your comment and think, oh, I can help with that. So it could be a way of finding yourself a mentor. Well, that's all for today's video. I'll be back tomorrow with the next Dream It, Do It video. We're getting into that home stretch now. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to say bye for now. I believe in you and keep dreaming big.